Hello everyone, today I will show you how to recover a TikTok streak, and here's how it is done. To start, ensure that your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. You can do this by checking the App Store for iOS devices or Google Play Store for Android devices, and downloading any available updates. Once your app is up to date, open TikTok and navigate to your profile by tapping the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. From your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger icon in the top right corner. Tap on this icon to access the menu. In the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will open a new screen with various options related to your account. Scroll down the list until you find the Report a Problem option. Tap on this to proceed. You will be directed to a page where you can choose the type of issue you are experiencing. Select Submit a Report. In the text box provided, clearly describe your problem. You might write something like, I am reaching out because I have lost my TikTok streak, which is very important to me. It appears that it was accidentally removed. I would greatly appreciate any assistance in recovering my most recent streak. Thank you for your help. Once you have completed your report, make sure to review your message for clarity and accuracy, then submit it. After you submit your report, be prepared to wait for a response. TikTok typically takes about 24 to 48 hours to review submissions, but this time frame can vary. During this period, keep an eye on your notifications and the email associated with your account, as they may reach out for more information or to inform you of the outcome. And that is everything you need to know about how to recover a TikTok streak. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.